Okay, I thought I'd do this. Michael, we are about to unbox the Labyrinth. We're going to unbox the Labyrinth, Michael. You want to see what's in the box? You want to see the Labyrinth book? Game? Yes, you do, huh? You want to play. You want to play? Of course you do. You should use your claws to open it. Something in your eye, bud? Your belly is still making noises. Well, Michael don't feel good. I don't know why. Well, Michael don't feel good. Did you get into the kitty treats? AKA litter box. I do a good job of keeping it clean. But this little guy, I think, jumped out of bed last night. Want to see what's in the Labyrinth box? You want to play a game? Ooh, Jared. Okay. Geesh. Woohoo. Uh-huh. Scenes in progress. Oh, wow, this is going to be cool. How do you play this? This was made in 2019. It's just a piece of cake. The size of the group is 5 people. Ooh. Labyrinth card game. I want that. Random encounters. Do I not have the board? I mean, really. Is it a role-playing game? Like, I have no idea how to play this. Player tips, teamwork. Is there supposed to be a board? Probably not. Copy the character sheet from the beginning of this section. You'll find a downloadable version. Oh. And place it in front of you. A character sheet. A few boxes. If really you gotta download things. Well, seems like oh, what do I need to play Labyrinth? You're going to need a few things. Don't worry. We think we'll have you all them. These dice, pencils, erasers, paper, a Goblin King sheet, just as characters. Character sheet, each player. But there's only like... I've never played Dungeons and Dragons or such, so... We'll have to get some friends together. The board? I don't know. I'm going to do a lookup on this game. See if anybody else has had any. And ooh, look. Just wanted it for the book. I wonder if this maze actually goes through anywhere. Or if it repeats shapes. I'm looking for that shape. Neat. Oh, look, it says mom. Or wow, upside down. Let's go online. All right. That is Jim Henson's The Labyrinth adventure game. But I guess this is all it says you need. Neat. I'll definitely tape myself when I play with my friends.